Some football now, even as they bask in their historic accomplishment at the still ongoing FIFA Women's World Cup in Australia and New Zealand. Jamaica's Reggae Girlz have given themselves huge objectives ahead of the CONCACAF Olympic qualifiers. Karen Madden reports.
The Reggae Girlz have achieved several firsts since their historic qualification to the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2019, a feat they replicated for the 2023 edition and had the nation in a frenzy and ecstasy with round of 16 participation. Now they are seeking to create more history by contesting a first ever Olympic Games and a return to their first dance in France. For Captain Khadija Bunny Shaw, advancing to consecutive world tournaments is a testimony that the Reggae Girlz belong on football's biggest stages.
Yeah, I think going to the World Cup and having the type of performance that we've had, we can then look at ourselves and say, you know, we can just match up equally as the other teams. We're more experienced 4 years later. We're playing in top leagues around the world. So, you know, Canada is just another test similar to what we had in the World Cup. And, you know, for us, we want to go to the World Cup. We want to create more history.
While all eyes are on the Reggae Girlz, free agent Denisha Blackwood, who is hunting a club, is however more preoccupied with more history for the Reggae Girlz against Canada.
I'm expecting us as a group, you know, the world know that we can defend, and I think this is the opportunity to show the world what we can do offensively, and I think I'm just excited to prove the world what Jamaica can do.
In the wake of the Reggae Girlz' historic achievement, the team has received more attention, and at 21 years old, forward Jodie Brown, who has had 2 World Cups under her belt, is hoping for more support on and off the field.
I'm feeling good, honestly. I think we've done a lot, and we just need a lot of more people to support us. Just watching our games and know that we're inspiring a lot of girls in Jamaica, so we just need people to just come on board and try to help us.
Midfielder Trudy Carter has a philosophical approach to the game against Canada.
It teach me a lot. You know, I know this World Cup wasn't my best, you know, but such is life. Now for me, just to regroup and come again for, hopefully, for the Olympic qualifiers in September. But I'm very happy, you know, for the minutes I played.
The Jamaicans will face Olympic champions Canada in the first of a 2-way tie on September 22 at the National Stadium before they travel to Ottawa for the return fixture on September 26. The Jamaicans will end the year with the CONCACAF Women's Gold Cup qualifiers. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.